And then oko eye Kumasi baby a your friend no adanse asokwa constituency a eja dare wo ho gidi a enye easy eno hunti Kennedy Japan aba bonten eden bi aba betudwa edian ene ekoso ewo ho yenya nte ye say the incumbent MP a your friend KT Hammond one Ashanti regional chairman MPP chairman Huntumi enyantokwa bi a ebimo the rumors be film. Now I have heard from Mr. KT Hammond in sema wodi tudwa na Kennedy Japan so akasa na the nkrofo eka on the grounds adanse asokwa ho ene say abranche bi atwinity say wo pese was standing for MP na asese nyansem na ekono sa abranche no chairman Huntumi etandechi intina abranche no go sha initially he was even supposed to be disqualified. But some say chairman Huntumi etandechi intino one more end disqualify abranche no ye eno hunti KT Hammond kra atro enkrata akoma MPP mpanyimfo say abranche no yen disqualify no because yesusu say abranche na akofefa enkrofo video bi a ye say go viral abranche yi akofa enkrofo enkrofo na akwache constituency executive ni bi secretary no abuna enye easy eno hunti ye say da bi say waye bibi sa pan dia wo say ye yi no efi ade so na de enti abranche no yentumi end disqualify no say na be din kan che no ye say chairman Huntumi etandechi. Now, why is Chairman Huntumi supporting that guy to overthrow KT Hammond? Assembly me, KT Hammond in Numasem and say some several years ago in Sembi Corso. Now, one KT Hammond or ni impeniphobi etenase or one at a Chairman Huntumi a babe freno. Utumun se na Chairman Huntumi a bufuso and a befre or no KT Hammond no. Na Chairman Huntumi be freno kwa abonteno. Ena chese utumu se na Chairman Huntumi ka tene se KT me de sika hye wemu ade na mo nkonkoye ase na bibi koso a ewo se KT Hammond wo kɔ ho eko supervise because Chairman Huntumi hu ne se wo de sika hye KT Hammond anko supervise ma ade na anko yie nti Chairman Huntumi bebisa KT Hammond no asem ena KT Hammond onakasa na nimu asem se wo kɔ ka abrofo obi Chairman Huntumi se Chairman Huntumi you know I cannot jeopardize with you was a damn brofu bia wakan sa na says brofu jo paradise na wakan ne Chairman Huntumi anti ase ma Chairman Huntumi de ebufuo ebo KT Hammond ye make no ye say some years ago na KT Hammond ankasa aka se wonu KT Hammond no anti ase say Chairman Huntumi asema mekan ne de na me pese metra ase ane say Huntumi ma wosika enshingu Huntumi ma se be MPP party say elections are you winning me to me and shingu and not a mekan obrofo mu a mekan jeopardize no that say me nya hwe han but was still Chairman Huntumi say ebia no ofi say sa abrofo na ye didi atemu say den e na wo ball wo no KT Hammond no enye easy inti KT Hammond say ever since then Chairman Huntumi afa ne ho tan and make it promise say the next time womo ebe ya omadwen say womo ebe ko election no we be make sure say obema will be etu KT Hammond every seat ne so nti eno hunti e de abranche we aba na abranche no we kodi boni a e wo say ye den ye disqualify no but because Chairman Huntumi etan de chiniti no ye omo disqualify abranche ne ye na same we say na AC KT Hammond honorable KT Hammond and Chairman Huntumi these two people womo ye Kennedy Japan na down for pan na so Kennedy Japan aba bonten fire Chairman Huntumi said dia Huntumi ye na enye na wonjai so wo beka ya embra ye de Kennedy Japan call parliament say wakọ kan sembi wo TV ni radio so na ye ntwe na so no wo beka ya sa time no wo bia wo ko support Kennedy Japan honorable KT Hammond ene Afenyo Martins wo mutu no wo ye lawyers wo ko support Kennedy Japan nti ne navofo pan no nti Kennedy Japan aba bonten ka Chairman Huntumi se wono Kennedy Japan nim se Chairman Huntumi mbo ade ti se wono se na Kennedy Japan wono awo mbo ade de daada no but in some bi koso a enye e was said Chairman Huntumi ehu ne se da bi de koso no enye otherwise was set bad precedents for MPP. Was say MPP being. You know, that is the whole explanation. You go to the Japan or the 2 years.
Near see Ashanti region, KTM constituency.
Yeah.
I will hope.
So
MPP is setting bad precedents, especially to me in Ashanti region. Me, I'm a young coroner, but let's call a spade a spade. He's setting bad precedents in Ashanti region because Oma converting. I mean, I was a nipa way, and Oma a bro secretary of the constituency. Ah, yeah, fano or from Pumum, a peer cry, Trinaba, a bunu tieti and ayasi, a nya quantity mu, almost sano, echo bono.
constituency secretary.
Yes.
Omo born.
Yes.
Candidate no.
Yes. Yes.
Say you're more secretary.
Yes.
So I then.
Sir, odi ni nomination form echo yo. Oko file no so no nimu no. Inti on to me inside. And the supporters abono. The precedence na who to be person or set in the party. What kind of precedence is that? Menene ka so ka James KT ha momuade. Na wo bu ade.
Omuade.
Na wo du bu ade. Omuade at second Japan omuade ya. Enti anyina yegum. Is that the reason?
Oh, Debbie. I say.
Na mo man kan kure party no. What you say? Bo man kan kure. And kure.
And the which say nye say nipa no qualify na unqualified but
KTM.
Oh, no but
the general secretary who na mo to take decision. The general secretary who ni regional chairman. One will say Debbie afedi ya too much.
Says men can you but
me say menin na kasa yo nye say obi say I called one to me na say Krachi, what is going on na KTM? Mumi or kasa kasa ni just amama nke bikura.
Oh. KTM mu wunti
me ehonu habio but the precedence say yetumi buru secretary titia na yasi
ma honorable o de memo aka asem ba he honorable KTM wa bay contest MP wa ye minister of energy the time enna o true ne effort Ghana inya oil me ka se me bedi no ho ada ba me ka se me di no ho ada nsa me timi adi pa hwe ukọ parliament ana ka
say o GMPC nti ubehu bi
anya say now me what GMPC Bob me honorable KTM from energy issue anya ne date back 50 years ago ni weight ni caliber de obetimi aye de obetimi aye ma party no se bibi ko parliament so de obetimi defend but to say omuade man
na who do me organs obi muade oni mi yenu nyina obi amuade enti na me ne oye me nyonko
FM
what you say
munya bad boys
yeah bad boys so party ni here but they do be here media ni how many say obi besua so me ko na wo mo resist me e be hwe wo mu here because they say the asana mo pachire say some qualify guy no wa me aburu secretary atiatia na yase is unfortunate abeg MPP come on mo fam na si fom he's unfortunate and you cannot
na dia no bia ya ultimate to channel so bonus
what you say na wan hwe bion e wo ma de esu ba me mo sa mu ne mo ne wa chiri ntiro e ga me yi a kire
oh ma hu ne na obi the chairman na nim so na aboketi am
the
constituency secretary ne yensa
etiefo nti eno ene nsemo aba me pesa mu ni amo tremo adwen e wo comment box ni mu na this is a very interesting thing na eba bonten na saying eya honorable KT Hammond onama na eya or the gloves ashenensa endra interview bi a wo call e wo Asempa FM ena yebisa na say MC glow sorry bandage ebonensa ena yebisa na say KT Hammond bandage na ebo nsa na eba na say ena o say na eno so sebe efam ho ben ena o say yate say chema wuntumi eche o ebo wa sorte o internal bandage no eye den ebo nsa ena o say da bia na de nya na kra but ne kra ne say chema wuntumi asorte ne pen but enye nansen nti eno story na me ye dem me de ebrem no nti tiefo eno ene ensemo a eda ho mesre montre mo adwen e wo comment box ni mu e man me da ase